If you need something, you need to ask nicely. Kay lagnuto ni mo. Kasi, Mommy Shen, can I borrow your phone? Di maghilak-hilak dayon. What happened to you? Tanaw makang tutok. Ag tanaw tutok. Salig kay daghan maglaban. Nya karon wala man nimong mama diri, wala maglaban-laban. Gahi naman kay mo. You need to ask nicely, Mommy. Can I borrow your phone? Oh, it's too late. It's too late na. A while ago, I'm using my phone and you just grab it. Don't do it. It's not nice. So you need to ask nicely, Mommy. Mommy, can I borrow your phone? Please? Oh, that's it. It's so nice, right? Okay, baby. Come to Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Oh, I love you. Mommy will let you borrow my phone. Very easy. Very easy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss. I love you.